Welcome to 309 Cedar Trail Lane in the beautiful Kelly Plantation subdivision. This exceptional customer-built one-owner home has all the space you are looking for. Enter through the inviting double-doored entryway. Entertain your guests by gathering in this cozy family room, open to the dining room and the kitchen. The kitchen is a perfect gathering place. This oversized island is the perfect place to prepare the food and enjoy it while you are done. It also offers lots of additional storage. Step out of the kitchen and enjoy the covered porch. The first floor features a spacious master suite, with a coffered ceiling fans and lots of natural light. The glam bath in the master suite features separated double vanity, standalone shower, a whirlpool tub, and a walk-in closet. For your convenience, this home offers a first-floor laundry located off the kitchen and a half bath for guests. Make your way onto the second floor to find an oversized bonus room, perfect for a gaming area, media room. Expecting extended stay guest? Welcome them to this oversized bedroom with a separate sitting area.